In remote support, a seamless transition between user and admin tasks is crucial. Zoho Assist ensures seamless operation by allowing both user and admin functions on remote computers. Introducing Elevate to Admin Mode, your gateway to enhanced control and efficiency. Join us in this video as we demonstrate how to elevate to admin mode within your session, empowering all users for efficient remote control without interruptions. Once you join the session in standard mode, Zoho Assist automatically prompts you to elevate to admin mode by selecting Click here. Alternatively, you can navigate to the Session tab on the left pane and select Elevate to Admin Mode. Once done, Zoho Assist offers you 4 different ways to elevate to admin mode. The first way is by typing in the credentials. Follow the instructions for username format and type in the username and password. You can also choose to save the credentials for future use by checking the box and click on Apply. The customer is now prompted for administrator mode. Once the customer on the remote end clicks on Yes on the Windows UAC and runs permission, the session gets restarted again with admin privileges. The second method is by using the saved credentials. Follow the methods on the screen and click on Choose from Credential Manager to access your shared credentials. Select the required credential name, and with the customer permission, you're upgraded to admin mode. You can also elevate to admin mode from the customer end. To do this, click on the prompt at the customer end as shown. The customer can then use the necessary credential and grant administrator privileges to automatically elevate the technician as administrator as well. And finally, for administrator accounts, the session automatically connects in admin mode by default. Here, the Elevate to Admin mode from the left pane of the screen is disabled, denoting that the session is already in admin mode. There you have it. Elevating to admin mode in Zoho Assist is a breeze with multiple convenient options at your fingertips.